Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening in the morning, during a break, or on your way to work or school, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. We have a fun and useful English lesson waiting for you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Julia, and we're really excited to practice English with you today. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy our conversation. Learning English should feel easy, comfortable, and even a little fun.
Today's topic is morning routine to improve your English. Have you ever wondered how just 10 or 15 minutes every morning can help you become a more confident English speaker? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how.
Oh, really? Just a few minutes every morning? That sounds much easier than studying for hours. I think a lot of our listeners are going to love today's lesson.
Absolutely. We'll share simple morning habits, useful English expressions, and easy speaking practice that you can use every single day. No difficult grammar, no pressure, just real English for real life.
So grab your coffee, your tea, or even just a big smile. Let's wake up our brains, practice together, and make this morning a great start for your English journey.
Let's get started. Good morning, Julia. Imagine this. Your alarm rings at 7 o'clock. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and think, today is a new day. Most people check their phones right away. But today, you decide to do something different. You decide to practice English first. Doesn't that sound like a wonderful way to start the day?
I like that idea. But I have to be honest, when my alarm rings, my first thought is usually, 5 more minutes, please. I think many of our listeners feel exactly the same.
You're definitely not the only one. I sometimes want just a few more minutes of sleep too. But here's the amazing thing. Even if you only spend 10 minutes with English every morning, those 10 minutes can make a big difference over time.
Oh, really? Just 10 minutes? That doesn't sound difficult at all. So instead of spending 10 minutes scrolling through social media, we can spend 10 minutes listening to English, learning a few new words, or speaking a few simple sentences.
Exactly. You don't need a perfect study plan or a long lesson. You just need one small habit that you repeat every morning. Little by little, your listening becomes stronger, your vocabulary grows, and speaking English starts to feel more natural.
I love that. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. So today, let's imagine we're starting our morning together and discover some easy English habits that anyone can follow.
That's right. Now, let's move to our main conversation and see what a simple English morning routine looks like in real life. Ready? Let's go. Good morning again, Julia. So, let's imagine it's 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and today we want to improve our English. What is the very first thing you do after you wake up?
Well, first, I open one eye, then the other eye, and then I ask myself, do I really have to get out of bed?
That's a very honest answer. I think many of our listeners are smiling right now because they do the same thing.
Probably. But after I finally get out of bed, I like to smile and say, good morning. Today is going to be a great day. It sounds simple, but saying positive words in English helps me wake up my brain.
I love that habit. It's easy, it's positive, and you're practicing English before your day even begins. Sometimes people think they need a classroom to learn English, but that's not true. Your bedroom can become your first English classroom every morning.
Oh, really? That's a fun way to think about it. So even before breakfast, we're already learning English.
Exactly. Then I walk to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. While the water is boiling, I don't waste those few minutes. I open my phone and listen to a short English podcast or a simple conversation.
How long do you listen?
Only 5 or 10 minutes. That's enough. I don't try to understand every single word. I just listen carefully and enjoy the sound of English.
I think that's a really important tip. Many beginners stop listening because they don't understand everything. They think, oh no, this is too difficult.
Yes, but you don't need to understand 100%. Just keep listening. Every day your ears become a little stronger. Slowly, English starts to sound more familiar.
That reminds me of music. The first time you hear a new song, you don't know the words, but after listening a few times, you can sing along. English works in a similar way.
That's a fantastic example. After listening, I like to learn one new English word. Just one. Not 20, not 50, only one useful word.
Only one? That's easy. What word did you learn this morning?
Today's word is healthy. So I can say, I eat a healthy breakfast, or walking every morning is healthy. Then I try to use the word several times during the day.
Wow, that's much better than memorizing a long list of words and forgetting them the next day.
Exactly. Quality is more important than quantity. One word that you actually use is more valuable than 20 words that you never say.
After learning a new word, what do you do next?
I stand in front of the mirror while I'm getting ready and speak to myself in English for 1 or 2 minutes. I say things like, "Today I feel happy. I'm going to work. The weather is nice." They are simple sentences, but they build confidence.
At first, talking to yourself might feel a little funny.
It does. But don't worry. Everyone feels that way in the beginning. The important thing is that your mouth is moving and your brain is thinking in English.
And remember, listeners, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new.
That's absolutely right. Then, before I leave home, I read just one short paragraph in English. It could be a simple news story, an English learning article, or even today's quote. Reading for 2 or 3 minutes helps me learn new sentence patterns naturally.
So your morning routine isn't difficult at all. Let's see. You wake up with positive English, listen to a short podcast, learn one new word, speak in front of the mirror, and read a little before leaving the house.
Exactly. None of these activities takes a long time, but when you practice them every single morning, they become powerful habits. Small daily steps can lead to big improvements in your English.
I really like that idea. You don't need hours of study, you just need consistency. A simple morning routine can help you become more confident, improve your listening, grow your vocabulary, and make speaking English feel more natural every day.
That's the secret. So tomorrow morning, why not try this routine yourself? Your future English-speaking self will definitely thank you. Great job, everyone. Now let's look at some useful words and expressions from our conversation. Don't worry, they're simple, practical, and perfect for everyday English.
Yes! Try to repeat each word after us. Speaking out loud helps you remember better. Ready? Let's go.
Our first word is routine. A routine is something you do regularly, usually every day. For example, my morning routine starts at 7 o'clock.
Next is habit. A habit is something you do again and again until it becomes natural. Example: reading English every morning is a good habit.
Our third word is consistent. If you're consistent, you keep doing something regularly without giving up. For example, she is consistent because she practices English every day.
Here's another useful word: confident. When you're confident, you believe in yourself and you're not too afraid to speak. Example: I'm becoming more confident when I speak English.
And our final expression is little by little. It means slowly, step by step. For example, little by little, my English is getting better every day.
Wow! Those are fantastic words. Try using at least one or two of them today. The more you use new words, the faster they become part of your everyday English.
Excellent work, everyone. Now it's time for a fun mini role play where you'll hear these words in a real conversation. Let's jump in. All right, everyone. Now it's time for a quick mini role play. Imagine it's early morning and Julia is starting his day. Listen carefully to how we use today's vocabulary in a real conversation.
Good morning, Jason. I'm still a little sleepy, but I'm ready to start my morning routine.
Good morning, Julia. That's wonderful to hear. What's the first thing you do every morning?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I listen to an English podcast while I make breakfast. It's becoming a really good habit.
That's excellent. You're practicing every day, so you're being very consistent. Little by little, your English will become stronger.
I can already feel the difference. I'm more confident now. I don't worry too much about making mistakes anymore.
That's the perfect attitude. Every small step helps. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, little by little, you'll reach your English goals.
Thanks, Jason. And to everyone listening, why not start your own English morning routine tomorrow? Just 10 minutes can make a big difference.
Exactly. Great job, everyone. Now, let's finish with a quick speaking challenge. Are you ready? Fantastic job, everyone. Now it's your turn to speak. I'll say a sentence, then pause for a moment. Repeat it after me with a clear and confident voice. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning. Today is a great day to practice English.
Excellent. Now try this one. I practice English every morning.
Great. Here's your last sentence. Little by little, my English is getting better.
Wow, that sounded amazing. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Keep practicing every morning, and you'll be surprised by how much your English improves.
And that's today's episode. Thank you so much for spending part of your morning with us. We hope this simple morning routine inspires you to practice English every day. Remember, you don't need to study for hours. Just a few minutes of practice each morning can help you become a more confident English speaker.
That's right. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Tomorrow morning, wake up, smile, say a few words in English, and enjoy the learning journey. Little by little, day by day, you'll notice a big improvement. We're cheering for you every step of the way.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. We upload beginner-friendly English podcasts to help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence.
And don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell us, what's one English habit in your morning routine? We'd love to read your answers, and you might even inspire other English learners around the world. Wow, that would be amazing.
Thank you again for listening. Keep smiling, keep believing in yourself, and keep speaking English every single day.
Take care. Have a wonderful day.
Little by little, your English gets better every day. Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode. Happy learning!